Gut health myths versus facts? Is yogurt really the secret to perfect gut health? Do expensive probiotics actually work? And is your gut really your second brain? Today, we're separating the biggest gut health myths from the real science. Some of these facts could completely change the way you eat, so don't skip this video. Why gut health matters. Your gut is home to trillions of bacteria that help digest food, produce vitamins, support your immune system, and even influence your mood. When your gut microbiome is balanced, your body functions better. But misinformation online is causing millions of Americans to waste money and follow unhealthy trends. Myth number 1. Everyone needs probiotic supplements? Many people believe everyone should take probiotic supplements every day. The truth is, not everyone needs them. Many healthy people get enough beneficial bacteria from foods like yogurt, kefir, kimchi, sauerkraut, and other fermented foods. Some probiotics may help specific digestive problems, but the best choice depends on the condition, not the marketing. Myth number 2. A gut cleanse removes toxins? Social media is full of detox teas and gut cleanses claiming to remove toxins. Your liver and kidneys already remove toxins naturally. Most detox products have little scientific evidence and may even cause dehydration or digestive discomfort. Myth number 3. All bacteria are bad? Hearing the word bacteria makes many people think of disease. But your body actually needs good bacteria. They help digest fiber, strengthen immunity, and protect you from harmful microbes. Without them, your gut can't function properly. Myth number 4. Gut health only affects digestion? Here's a surprising fact. Your gut communicates directly with your brain through what's called the gut-brain axis. Researchers are studying how gut bacteria may influence mood, sleep, stress, and overall health. While there's growing evidence of a connection, gut health isn't a cure for mental health conditions. Myth number 5. Fiber is only for older adults? Fiber isn't just for seniors. People of every age benefit from eating enough fiber. It feeds healthy gut bacteria, supports regular digestion, helps control blood sugar, and can improve heart health. 5 science-backed ways to improve gut health. Tip 1. Green salad. Eat more fruits and vegetables. Tip 2. Rice plant. Choose whole grains and fiber-rich foods. Tip 3. Glass of milk. Include fermented foods if they work well for you. Tip 4. Droplets. Stay hydrated. Tip 5. Pedestrian. Exercise regularly and get enough sleep. Healthy habits matter far more than expensive supplements. Small daily choices have the biggest long-term impact on your gut. The biggest myth of all? That there's one magic food or supplement for perfect gut health. The truth is simple. A balanced diet, regular exercise, enough sleep, and healthy lifestyle habits are still the best ways to support your gut. Which gut health myth surprised you the most? Tell us in the comments below. If you learned something new today, hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more science-backed health videos every week. Thanks for watching, and stay healthy.